This is Redfeather from Gripax. In this Kdenlive video, we will be showing you the dust effect. The dust effect is located in the artistic area of the Kdenlive effects list. And as you can see, its main purpose is to add a dust effect like in older TVs. Although by using a color clip and a size adjustment and other manipulation tools, we will show you how to add color, change the size, and blend in Kdenlive. Open Kdenlive and bring in the video you would like to work with. Once you have done this, in the project bin, click the drop down arrow. Scroll down to color clip and click. Once the color clip comes up, click the color bar drop down arrow. Then scroll up to white and click. And then click OK. This will create your color clip in Kdenlive, placing it in the project bin. Grab your color clip, placing it on the Kdenlive timeline on top of the video you choose to work with. For the purpose of this Kdenlive example, we will make it the same size as the video, but this depends upon you and the purpose of your said project. Then click on the effects list, scroll to artistic and click. Then scroll down to the Kdenlive effect called dust and drag it, placing it into the color clip. Notice in the Kdenlive project monitor, you can see a few small specks, but for this example, we will enlarge them. In order to enlarge the dust effect, looking particles, if you will, you can use the slider bars in the Kdenlive dust effect. Or, if you know the magic number, place them manually. The numbers that seem to work for me for this Kdenlive example, for the maximal diameter was 36%, and for the maximal number of dusts it was 75. Now it is quite obvious these numbers can be adjusted so as you get the proper look in your Kdenlive project you are looking for. Once these numbers are set to your liking, it is time to add some color to the Kdenlive dust effect. Click on the Kdenlive's effects list, close out of the artistic list, and scroll down to color. And scroll down to saturation. Drag the saturation effect into the color clip. Adjust the slider bar in order to gain the color you are looking for in the Kdenlive saturation effect, or manually place it if you know the magic number. The number that seemed to work for me was 539. So far we can only see our color clip. So now it is time to use a blend tool. For this we will use a Kdenlive transition. Click on the Kdenlive transition list, scroll down to cairo blend. There are two, so make sure to choose the one without the affine. Drag the Kdenlive cairo blend transition into the color clip and adjust the opacity slider bar in order to get the desired look you would like. Now, from here within your Kdenlive project, you can click on the blend mode bar, toggling between modes, finding all kinds of different artistic looks for your project. I hope you have enjoyed this Kdenlive video and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber and ring that bell in order to receive notifications your way of newly released videos. I mean, after all, it is free. The intro and extro of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.